naman yung Ate Babes ko yun. Kasama ko sa puyatan. Kasama ko sa kulitan. Kasama ko sa campaign na hindi ako iniiwan. Ate Babes, thank you so much for being my loyal moderator. Thank you so much for being my ate. And you know how much I love you. And also Ate Nana and brother. Thank you so much, brother. Brother, once again, always remember, brother, that you are my kuya. You are my kuya, brother. I know, even if I know you, even if you don't know me, but I did not expect for me that you've been part of my journey. It was a milestone for me. Thank you, brother. Many thanks to you, brother. All the blessings, hope will get you back. All the blessings you share with me, brother, hope it will get you back. It will back to you. It will back to you, brother. Hope all the blessings, brother, will get back to you, brother. May the Lord God bless you, brother. I love you so much, brother. You are the person I've ever known who very supportive, who are very caring in my campaign. And JM, thank you so much, JM, for always thank you, JM, for preparing my banner, just and promoting my campaign and the international PK. Thank you, JM, for promoting my banner, for promoting my PK and my campaign. JM, maraming salamat. Team Luna, I know, you know who you are, Team Luna. In general ko na pagkakasabi. Thank you sa Team Luna. Thank you so much, guys. Brother, I will miss you, brother, for this milestone. I will miss you, brother, for this kind of bonding with you. Thank you so much, brother. Ate Nana, thank you, Ate Nana, Ate Babes. Sa lahat na in general na pagkakasabi, kasi hindi ko na kayo mamimemorize, hindi ko na maisa-isa yung mga pangalan nyo. Ganito na lang pagkakasabi ko, guys. Salamat po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sharers, sa mga commentors who have been part of my journey. Thank you so much. Makakasama na po tayo sa live event, sa offline event, guys. Makakasama po tayo sa offline event. Okay, once again, thank you so much, everyone, from the toppers, commenters, sharers. You know who you are. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin na. Sana walang magtampo. Sir Joel! Sir Joel! I love you, sir. Muntik na kita makalimutan, Sir Joel. Sir Joel, thank you for being part of my journey, Sir Joel. Thank you so much for supporting me. So I really appreciate, Sir Joel. Guys, you guys are amazing. I really appreciate all your effort, your time, especially your blessing you share with me from the beginning of the final showdown. Guys, I just can't believe, guys, makakapasok na tayo sa offline event. Guys, makakasama po tayo sa offline event po. Salamat ng marami po. Thank you so much. Wala na akong boss. Sir Joel, I love you too, Sir Joel. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Once again, yung mga hindi ko mababanggit, in general ko na pagkakasabi po para walang magtatampo. To all the sharers natin, the commentors, the toppers, you know who you are. Thank you so much. It's such an honor for me, guys, na makasama ko po kayo. Siyempre, our visitor, my brother, number one. Our top gifters tonight who always there to support me, Brother Punisher. Please, can you guys please follow Brother Punisher, guys? Please, can you guys follow as appreciation to for him to help me for this final showdown. I'm sorry guys, my English is not good. Be understand be understand my English guys, because I'm just trying to speak English for just to understand my brother Punisher. Guys, I'm sorry, please don't bash me if my English is not good. I'm just trying to speak English for just to understand my brother Punisher. So that's why I will speak English, guys. Brother, brother, would you like to come up, brother? Anything to say, brother? Thank you, brother. Atinana, Sir Joel. Congratulations, guys. We are now ranked 11. And we're gonna... You are doing great. Brother, I will miss you, brother. Thank you so much. I don't know I don't know how to thank, but I know saying thank you it's not enough, everyone. I know saying thank you is not enough, but let me thank you always. Let me thank you always again and again. Thank you so much for having for who been part of my journey. The sharer, the commenters, the toppers. I just can't believe this, because you know what, guys? The last time, brother Punisher, if you're still there, the last time I joined my brother, the last time I joined the final showdown, you know what? I only top 31. I only top 31, brother Punisher. The last time I joined the final showdown, I only top 31. So, paano ba yun sa English? I'm not I'm not belong to top 30. So how it's sad for me because I'm only top 31. So it's one step to belong on top 30. Ate Nana, thank you so much. Grabe. Siyempre, I just want to say thank you to Lord for having an angels tonight, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord, you for the blessing you share with me, Lord, tonight, for my campaign, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord, for not leaving me, Lord. I know you're always there, Lord. You're always there. You're always there, Lord, to watch me, to monitor me. And I know you help me. I know you are the reason, Lord, why I'm in rank 11 on Final Showdown, because of the many people, the gifters. Ano ba? Sorry guys, I don't know how to speak English talaga, guys. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord, for the blessings you share with me, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord, for the blessing I received tonight. Thank you for all the gifters. Many more blessings to come to all the gifters. A million times blessings to get back to you, everyone. I hope many you have many people to help, not only me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will miss you guys. I will miss you this moment from the start of our final showdown. Brother, thank you so much, brother. I love you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you. Brother, I will miss you, brother, for doing this campaign. Brother, I will miss you, brother, for doing this campaign, brother. I hope to see you, brother. I hope to see you next time, brother. Thank you, brother, for being kind and generous with me, brother. You know how much I love you, brother. Thank you so much. We are proud of you. Thank you so much, and I am so proud of you too, guys, because your time, your effort, it's very appreciated. No, I will stay in touch, you bro. Oh my. Thank you, guys. My voice is ano ba ang tawag doon? Ate Nana, ang tawag yun? My voice is getting tired. May voice